What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipen from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. #1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, we're taking a look at Neiro AI, an AI platform that can generate AI avatars and produce marketing videos at scale. Do you need loads of personalized marketing videos like yesterday? Then watch Neiro AI get her done in just a few minutes. To get started, choose from over 50 avatars, select the video format, and pick a background. Feel free to upload your own or use the AI generative fill. All you got to do is describe what you want in a few words. Now for the video script. You can either go with what you've got or ask Neiro to generate one for you. From there, choose from over 150 languages, assign your avatar an emotion like happy, angry, or sad, and then pick a specific voice. And just like that, Neiro AI has got a brand new video queued up and ready to go. Honestly, this is the easiest way to create videos for vertical and horizontal formats. So click that Buy Now button to get your hands on Neiro AI today, or stick around to see the text-to-speech tool in action. Thought that video was fast? Wait till you see Neiro AI generate personalized audio. All you got to do is select the voice, add the script, and set up the language, emotion, and voice details. It's that easy. Whether you're sharing educational content, revamping your B2B sales content, or creating marketing demos, do it with Neiro AI. No more language barriers or outrageous production costs. Just personalized videos at scale right at your fingertips. Click that Buy Now button to get access to Neiro AI for life.